HotMamaTravel!
Good morning and welcome to the channel HotMamaTravel. It is my birthday and we have Bloody Marys and we're starting out
America!
with breakfast at America. It's been a morning already.
They even give you little flags in the drink.
Oh, I got little flag. America.
There it is.
Bloody Mary in the morning.
Much needed.
Thanks, sis. You get to pick a surprise.
Yeah, let's see what you want. Get some sunglasses.
Oh yeah.
It's one of these. Make some noise. You wanna start too?
Wow. So what do you say?
What you guys?
What do you say? Thank you.
My glasses.
The big kids are more about it than the little. Hey, what did you get? Oh wow. Can you go whoop? Okay. Okay. Save it for outside. Oh, Grandpa got the glasses.
Which one?
Oh.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you for my birthday song.
You're welcome.
I love you. Thank you. Sing me happy birthday. Look at the little stickers. Yeah. We have the nicest hostess today. She keeps bringing the kids all kinds of treats. This is crazy. She's so sweet. All right, I'm getting spoiled on my birthday with some birthday drinks. I got the big boy pina colada. Because what's a pool day without a pina colada? All my family's in the pool and our friends. Woo! Happy birthday! Thank you! it's dinner time for my birthday, and we're gonna go to Nine Fine Irishmen for music. Hi, Kevin. Hi, Shannon. Hi, everybody. And so yeah.
You've ever seen a heart.
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amanda. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Look at this. How did you get this to stand?
I do not know. I'm not doing my first.
So I just learned steaming manholes, that the steaming manholes in the New York are from the steam in the kitchens because they're connected to the kitchen. So it's actual steam from the restaurant kitchens at New York, New York. So fun fact when you're visiting. Hey, Kentos, look at these teeny tiny donuts.
Yeah, I want to eat one of them.
You do? Which one do you like?
I like that one. That's delicious.
The pink one?
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed this Vegas vlog. If you did, give it a like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.